Hey folks, Drain Punch Carl here. I've got a special message for all of you maintenance supervisors, property managers, anybody associated with multifamily as far as keeping everything running smooth, but more importantly, keeping your employees happy and your residents or your customers happy. If you're not using Drain Punch and P-Free and you're doing things the old way, you're doing things the hard way, then chances are you're creating some grief in your workforce and you're getting more service ticket calls than you should. Drain Punch and P-Free are proven to reduce the number of calls that you get. They're great for preventive maintenance. And what I'd ask you to do is get yourself a 2-pack off my website. It's not a big investment of $30 or $40. Check it out and see for yourself. You might want to join the hundreds, if not thousands, of maintenance people and plumbers across America and Canada that have found these are the best tools on the market to save time and make better operations. Thanks.